Hello everyone, this is Tech20 coming to you again, once again with another tutorial for Excel. Today we're going to go ahead and cover how to enable the Developer tab. Developer tab is something for more advanced users, get you into VBA and all kinds of different cool things you can do with Excel. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So what we're going to do is go ahead and click on File here. So bring up your sub menu, and then what you want to do is go down to Options. Once you click on Options, this will bring this up so you get your general options for there. You can do anything from whatever you want your settings to be. Um, Formulas, you can have formulas are formatted, data, proofing, for example, like ignore words in uppercase. That's usually set to default because when you're typing in uppercase, um, ain't nobody trying to get involved in that, even the computer. That was a bad joke. Okay, I'll stop. But this is your save options. Um, It's going to save and all that. Languages, accessibility, kind of advanced options. But we're looking for customized ribbon here. And what we're going to do is just go ahead and come over here, main tabs, scroll down. It's not there. It's not already there because on mine it already is because I usually have it enabled. But it'll be over on this side as well. Well, what you want to do is just go ahead and hit developer and then hit OK. And you'll see that developer tab just opened up here. Gives you Visual Basic, macros, how to record a macro, macro security, inserts, such as different types of form controls, and all that kind of stuff. We'll cover that at later dates, but for now, that was it. I hope you found this content helpful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe. And also feel free to check out one of our other videos, which will pop up here, or already probably has. If there's anything you'd like to see me cover, please let me know in the comments down below or on the community page as well. Thanks and have a great day.